Hi, today in front of me LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. To do that, we should first launch the Google app and tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings and tap to voice section. Then click to voice match and you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just to turn on this option, click once on the switcher, then tap to next. I agree. Next once again. Not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you wanna just retain the assistant to recognize your voice, click to voice model and click retain voice model. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.